Alright then, so now what we need to do, let's go ahead and customize this cart, items cart. So first what we need to do, we need to bring this nice design over here. So let's go ahead and let's go to the cart item cart. So let's customize this cart item cart first. So what I need to do is basically this view is going to keep the entire stuff into a flex row. So let's add it as a flex row, and px is going to be 6 and width is going to be full, and item everything should be in the center, and the margin top and bottom, the MI1, the top and bottom is going to be 1 inch in the both up and down. So now then inside this I'm going to bring a view. Okay, this view it's going to be BG white, and rounded it's going to be as an Excel, and flex everything should be in the center, justified center, and padding it's going to be 2, and width is going to be 16, height is also going to be 16, position is going to be a relative position, because inside this we need to bring 2 different images, right? So let me enable the word wrap. View word wrap, it's already enabled, I think so, yes. So now we can see it clearly. So now inside here, now what I need to do is I need to bring that image. So basically how exactly we displayed it in the product screen. So let's go to the product screen and copy it and paste it over here. Go to the product screen and let's copy these 2 different images. Copy this and let's get back to the cart screen, paste it over here. But this time what I need to do is, this time it is not data, this is item.bg image asset URL, and this is going to be full, opacity is going to be 30, but this size is it's going to be 12. So let's say this changes. Now you can able to see that that images and icons and everything, right? But something is messing up because they are not aligned properly. What am I missing over here? Inside this view we have that image, and we have this view one more time, contain, I think because of this guy over here, because of this. And let me delete the width full also, and I'm just going to say inset 0. Basically that will pin on top, left, right, bottom, and everywhere. So now we can see the product is arranged in the exact center location. Okay, so next what we need to do is, so now we have that the view section inside the view. Now we have that image. So then after that image, so what I need to do, so that's what this is for image, and where is this view? It's been ending right over here. So right after here, now after that view, what we need to do, we need to bring that which is that this section, this particular section, text section. All right, so over here, so let's go ahead and add the text section now. So view, and basically this view is going to be class name, which is going to be in the column direction, so item center, and space y in the between the objects, and margin left I'm just going to add the 3 spaces because everything is aligned in the close to the left side of it. So we need some space over there. So inside here I'm going to create a one more view, and inside this view inside this view now I'm going to use the same styles, class name equals to flex, and items it should be in the starting position, and justify everything should be in the center. Then inside here I need to bring the text property one after another. So first I'm going to bring the item.title, save the changes. Now you can see the item.title. Let's copy and paste it 2 more times. And you need to bring the short description. That somewhere you can find this short description, bring it. And then I need to bring the price field over here. So basically we need to find out the price. So to do that, we have this price field, copy it, and let me add the dollar sign over here, dollar, and price field should be multiplied along with the quantity. So QTY, save the changes. Now you can get the overall quantity. All right, so you can see the price, what is the price of that product and how much quantity that you added over there. So, and I need to display the quantity also along with this. So what I need to do is, let me wrap this into a separate view, and let me paste this, and inside here I need to paste one more thing, but this time I'm just going to display the quantity, not the price. So let's keep this flex row, item center, justified center, and space X, it's going to be 3. Save this changes. What's the mistake? What's the mistake over there? Nothing. Let's add the cart. Add it. Cart screen. Yeah, it's displaying. It's showing it. I don't know why it's crashing every time. So let me bring a bracket. So now you can see the quantity over there, and along with that we can able to see that the price of it, space X1. So how much quantity that you purchased. So let me display the text like this, QTY colon quantity. All right, so that's looking much better now. So price, overall calculated price, and the quantity over there. Okay, so or else what we can do is, instead of keeping this stuff over here like that, I can able to display the quantity in a separate way. So this is not looking much better. So what we can do, this is one kind of approach. So I'm just going to comment it, and I'm just going to keep the text alone, this quantity alone. So let me copy this, and I'm going to paste it over here, just the price alone, and I'm going to display the quantity separately. All right, so then the text, we need to customize the styles of the text and everything. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to copy the styles for each text over there. I'm going to paste it over here like this for that. And for the description, this is should be a smaller text, and the quantity, it should be a little bit, the price field, it should be a little bit bigger like this, right? So then I need to bring the quantity over here. So this is the view of the text, it's where it's completed, the text section is completed over here. So then after that, what I need to do, I need to bring the third section, let's say quantity section something, let's keep it in that way. So then over here I need to bring a view tag, and for this view I'm going to say class name, and the class name, it's going to be I think the view is not necessary, because unless if you are going to display this delete button over there, you need to keep the view, and you need to add that specific button options and everything. But in this case, what we are going to do, we are going to use the gestures handling, right? When I swipe right, I need to bring the delete button, and if I swipe right completely, I need to delete this item from the cart. So to keep it simple, I'm just going to bring the quantity directly over here. Why I need like this, but the quantity is looking very similar. So what we can do, let's bring a view and wrap it inside a border, and we can display it. So flex row, item center, justify center, and space X is going to be 4 inside, and rounded Excel, and border, we need the border, and the border gray is going to be 300. All right, so px is going to be 3, and py is going to be 1, and margin left is going to be auto. Inside this, I'm going to add the quantity. So now you can see the quantity is pushed completely to the right side corner. So this looks much better in my view. So you can choose whatever the design, that's up to you. All right, so now the cart items card is successfully completed. So the next remaining part is nothing but we need to bring this promo code and we need to bring this total, subtotals, and this proceed to checkout options and everything. So that's what we are going to do next.